Daily Conversation Part 1 Job. To express what you do, use I am plus a or an plus job. I am a teacher. I'm an accountant. She is a nurse. Or you can use I work in plus place plus general area. I work in a supermarket. I work in an office marketing. He works in social services. Or I work for plus name or place of the company. I work for Facebook. I work for AMD. They work for Mercedes-Benz. To express what your job involves. I'm in charge of a big company. I'm responsible for some workers in that department. I have to deal with overseas clients. She runs a beauty salon. To express daily duties and routines, you can use I have to go or attend to a lot of conferences. I visit or see or meet patients. He advises clients and gives them help. It involves using computer a lot of the time. Talking about getting a job. It's not easy to get or find a job in big cities. I'd love to do marketing. I've been offered a job in Australia. He has applied for a job in a foreign company. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. And also please remember to hit that like button. Talking about working hours. I have a 9 to 5 job, or I work 9 to 5, means regular working hours in Britain. I do or work shift work. Nights 1 week, days next. I only work part-time or take a part-time job, means part of day or a few days a week. I'm a workaholic or I work full-time, means work too much. I took early retirement, means retire at 55 in Britain. I am on or take sick leave, a period spent away from work because of illness. I'm on or take maternity leave, means expecting a baby. I gave up work in order to study. I was laid off when the company went bust. I was made redundant, means no longer needed and therefore out of work. I was dismissed for refusing to obey orders. I was fired for always being late. I'm on or off duty, means to be working or not working. Other useful phrases. We usually take a break for lunch or for a quarter. We normally knock off work about 5:30 p.m. and go off to a cafe nearby. I was rather inexperienced for that kind of work. I have a lot of experience in this area or of that kind of work. I'm sufficiently qualified for this position. This is a job requiring, means a great deal of skill. I try to be hardworking, means trying to work hard. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Don't miss out my daily lessons by hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to hit that like button as well. You may need to watch these contents as well. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Steve and I will see you tomorrow.